Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix FPS drops and low FPS on Fortnite. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go on Fortnite and video settings and make sure windowed mode is full screen, resolution is 1920 x 1080 or your native one, turn off VSync, make sure frame rate limit is unlimited or the same as your monitors. So usually it's on 60, 144, 240 or 360, right? And then make sure rendering mode is on DirectX 12, brightness 100%, user interface contrast 1, X, color blind, mode and strength, it's up to you, whatever you like. Make sure to turn off motion blur and then scroll down until you see anti-aliasing super resolution, make sure it's off, 3D resolution 100%, then virtual shadows, global illumination, reflections and is off, view distance is near, textures, effects, post-processing and hardware tracing is on off. Then show FPS completely up to you. Use GPU crash debugging on off, latency markers off, NVIDIA reflex low latency on or on plus boost, and then just save the settings, restart the game and look if the problem persists or not and if you're experiencing FPS drops or low FPS. Next, open up Epic Games Launcher, go to library, go to Fortnite, press on the dots, go to manage and then verify files. And then wait for a couple of seconds, and after that you need to look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, go to graphics settings. Then on graphics settings you need to look here for Fortnite. If you don't find a Fortnite, you just need to press browse. Then you need to look for your game, and if you don't know where to find it, it usually is on Fortnite here. Press on manage and then look for an open install location. You can copy this location, go to graphic settings, then you need to press browse, then here paste it, and then go to Fortnite game, binaries, Win64, and add Win64, Fortnite client Win64 dash shipping exe here. And then options and set to high performance, right? And save. And after that, you need to look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then select change default graphic settings. And if GPU scheduling here is on, turn off. And if it's on off, try to turn on and look if you're getting low FPS or FPS drops. And if you're still getting FPS drops, then again, go to Fortnite, go to on the three dots here, and then you need to go to manage, then go to press on the open install location, then go to Fortnite game, binaries, Win64, and then scroll down until you see Fortnite client, Win64, shipping.exe, right click on it, go to properties, compatibility, and make sure to disable full screen optimizations and run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, right? And after that, make sure your GPU drivers is fully updated as well. If using GeForce NVIDIA, there is an app called GeForce Experience. You can go to drivers, check for updates, and if there is an update for you that you need to download it, install it, please do so, and then look if you're getting FPS drops or not. Then if the problem still persists, open up control panel, right click on your desktop, show more options, open up NVIDIA control panel. And on control panel, first what you need to do here, you need to go to adjust image settings with preview, make sure this option is selected here. Then you need to go to manage 3D settings, and the first thing what you need to do here, you need to look for low latency mode. Low latency mode, make sure is on. Then max frame rate, make sure to off. Then as you can see here, power management mode, make sure is prefer maximum performance. Then you need to look for texture filtering quality. So here, make sure it's on high performance as well. And then you need to look for threaded optimizations, right? And make sure this option is on, right? And then apply the settings and look if you're getting a low FPS. And if the problem still persists, in a lot of times, overlays can do that for you. So Discord uses overlay, Steam uses overlay, GeForce Experience uses overlay, Google Chrome uses overlay. So what you need to do here, you just need to go to Task Manager and end all the tasks with the overlays, and then look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here is simply open up, just press Windows and Aki, or simply on search, write run. Then here you need to write percent temp %, and from here delete all the files, because it's the cache files. Don't worry about it. Some files you cannot delete because you're running some apps, so also don't worry about it as well. And after that, you just need to look if the problem persists or not. So yeah, if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.